see, we enter. It's a smart home, so everything is done digitally, automatically. You just need to push the button on and all your lights come on. You may come in. And the best part is the entire lighting can be controlled from here. So you have the entire page where you can select the scenes, the air conditioning, all the bedroom lightings, the living room curtains, bedrooms, and you can also put a timer for everything. Now this is the kitchen that we have. So if you see, our kitchen is fully fitted and fully equipped kitchen that we are having. So there is a refrigerator that we have. This is the refrigerator, this is the microwave, there's a dishwasher. Then the best part about our apartments are that all our kitchen top are made of cinder stone, which is man-made stone. So that makes us, very, very different, exclusive, and increases the longevity. And also, if you see all the hinges which are there of all the cabinets, they are made of Bloom. Bloom is a company which is from Austria, so it's made of Bloom. So this gives a lifelong warranty. There, if you see, there is the washing machine here. There's a gas with 4 knobs, and we also have Frankie sink, which is an anti-rust sink, and you can also use the knob in your own way and as per your comfort. The cabinets are all made Italian materials, very spacious cabinets which are here with Italian materials. And the best part, again, because it's a fully fitted apartment, so we have locks which are automatic locks. So you'll get this lock which is there right at the entrance of the door. So there are 5 ways. You can open it with the key, you can open it through your phone, you can put numbers, and you can also do it from your fingerprint. So there are various ways of opening the lock, so which makes it very, very good in terms you want to use it as a holiday home or as a rental. You see the entire furniture, so we are giving a fully fitted and a fully furnished apartment. There's a very beautiful sofa set that we have. If you see, there's a television here, right here, and I'll walk you through. And if I tell you, all our furnitures, they are made in-house in our own factories. So even though the washrooms are not controlled by this panel, irrespective of the switch, if you just rush in, you want to use the washroom, you can just open it and the light comes on automatically. Here. Now let's go to the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. If you see, all our doors are really very thick and very good in terms of quality, because we say like all our furnitures are made in-house in our factory, so we have given a lot of emphasis on our quality. Let's walk you through here. So this is how you will get the bedroom, very beautifully fitted and furnished bedroom. You have a dresser here. This is the dresser. It has a lot of space. You see the drawers for your personal items are here, all of them. Then you have a very nice closet that you have here. You can just open the closet, the light comes on. So it's a very, very beautiful closet that you have here. So this is the closet. It has a lot of space to keep his and hers wardrobe. And also there's a washroom inside. Again, if you see, we have all the entire anti-skid tiles. The sanitary ware are all from Roca. It's rose gold. And we have niche everywhere so that you can put all your items here, the toiletries and all items here. There's a niche down as well. There's a lot of space, and even inside, if you see, there's a niche to keep all your toiletries. So that actually makes it very spacious and user friendly as well.